Greetings and welcome to The Pride. My name is Muphasa El Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help grow your conviction to buy, conviction to sell. And today we're going to be looking at AMD. AMD is a big player in the metaverse. I believe no matter how many metaverses are created, AMD is going to be a big part of it with their GPUs, their AI, machine learning capabilities. They had a big boost in November when they got hit by Meta as their top pick. This is January 27th, and you can see Nokia chooses AMD's Epic. Game changer, guys. Game changer. And you can go read this yourself, but there are a couple of articles that just continue to show why AMD is going to be a big player, not just in tech, but they're also going to be big in gaming. They're revolutionizing the chip industry and they have a lot of competition. But recently, they just blew NVIDIA out the water with their new results. The Epic is going to be a game changer. AMD also has great partnerships in the gaming industry. They're going to be raising their prices on the Epic. This should be shown in the next quarter results. 10 to 30% price rise. Inflation is here. We expect these things to show up in the bottom line. Meta says it's building the world's largest AI supercomputer out of NVIDIA and AMD chips. As the metaverse continues to grow, you will be seeing NVIDIA and AMD getting a big chunk of all of that growth. AMD actually has really blown my mind in so many ways because they're also in crypto mining in the sense that they have these GPUs that help create an awesome experience and speeds the whole process up. Most of your crypto assets will be built using AMD's tech. You can see that blockchain is a big part of Web 3.0. You can see that the metaverse is a big part of a new world. And AMD is going to be playing a role in helping businesses open up a storefront in the metaverse. It might sound too good to be true, out of this world, but it's going to happen. It's going to happen fast. And I'm running through all of these articles to show that AMD is going to dominate. AMD's Radeon RX 6900 graphic cards is literally a game changer. And I believe I saw news, I think it was earlier today, about how they are now top of the line in beating NVIDIA's tech. All of that said, we do need to get into the technicals of AMD as well as the financials. I like to do the financials first. I use Google Finance to give me a rough look at any company. So I type in AMD and I'm just going to highlight the little details that I find brilliant. And you can go do your own research and come up with your own conviction on whether you're going to buy this stock or sell this stock. AMD has decent financials. My internet is whack, to say the least. What I don't like about AMD is the fact that there is no dividend yield. I love to have my portfolio filled with dividend paying stocks. If you're going to pay me to hold a stock, I'm going to hold it for as long as it can. You can see a year range of 72 to 164. So we're looking at some upside. If you look at the 52-week high from where it's currently trading, that would give you a decent 40 to 50%. We'll also be looking at price targets for AMD. AMD has shown steady growth in its earnings, decent profit margin at 21%. Everything is looking good and earnings are coming up probably tomorrow, depending on when you see this video. AMD has been in business for over 50 years, and I really love the new CEO. She has brought a lot of energy and vibrance to what AMD brings to the table. That is just a sneak peek on the financials. We're going to look at AMD price targets as well to see where it's ranking. AMD is competing with companies like Nvidia, but you still have a high price target of $180, which gives us 57% from where we're at. If AMD continues to smash their numbers and grow their revenue, projected to double revenue by 2024. I expect that with the metaverse growing and big companies like Nokia and Meta choosing AMD's tech, I don't see them slowing down, especially with everything that they have going for them in the future. Jumping into the technicals, I don't like to buy stocks when they're high. Most retail traders buy stocks without looking at the chart. I would never advise that. I'm using the weekly, and this is my chart setup. I got into Nvidia on Friday again for a long position at about $105. I wish I got it at 90, but the trend has reversed, and we could be seeing Nvidia heading back to $164 in no time. You can see the RSI is literally coming out of the oversold territory. Good time to nibble or build out your position for the long term. If you look at the daily, you would see a more graphic presentation of the chart. It broke the 21 and the 50 moving average, found support right around $100, and now it's heading back up just before earnings. Really good time to take a peek at this one and try to ride it all the way at the long term. Most people, if you're not long on AMD, you could take profits at $150, rinse and repeat if it bleeds out. You can do a call at this point. Whatever it is that you want to do, AMD is looking pretty decent moving into earnings. That's it from me. I hope this was helpful. You can always hit the like and subscribe button below and join us on the journey at Simba's trial. All of this would be in the next screen. Talk to you soon.